Hey guys, so here's the little video about the Switchblade Bulletproof backpack. Just have to find the, let's see if this works. I'll just press on here.
The bodygun Switchblade, as a standard, it comes 3A protection. It converts into a vest in less than a second, offering protection both front and rear, all the sides, the front, and the entire back. It's also a plate carrier. So with the addition of ultralight plates, it offers 3+ protection. And we're going to put that protection to the test right now. So we're going to start with the 22. Good. Nothing through. No problem. Next, 9mm. Next is a 00 buck. Nothing, stopped it cold. Melon's cracked a little bit, but other than that, they're good. Next up, the 5.56 round. Stopped it cold.
I like the style of it. It was pretty cool style and design. I like the weight. Wasn't heavy. It wasn't too hard to deploy. Like all that good stuff. I'd wear it every day. Whether I was going to to go over to a friend's house, or when I go to my drill weekends, I'd wear it all the time.
It's awesome, quick. You have protection front and back in no time at all, in just a second.
It was really easy to turn into a vest. The other ones were much more harder to turn into a vest because they were buckled and unzip them.
I loved how easy it was to manage and feel safe, and how snug it was and covered all of my body basically. But the non-thinking about it was the best part about it. I would have it at work and accessible in my classrooms and definitely in my locker room. Definitely in the gym with me, 100%.
Let me ask you, can your backpack do this?